If you are not subscribed into ID Energy's fast track training or award winning desktop quality assurance program, you will need to purchase the app and software user subscription with ID Energy. To purchase your subscription, simply go to EnergyScoreUSA.com. In the menu bar, select Register and then select Software/App User. The website will take you to a standard shopping cart page to complete your purchase. After you submit your payment, you will receive an automated email with your receipt. Once you have purchased your app user subscription and have downloaded and created an account on the Home Energy Score app, please allow up to 24 to 48 hours for your account to be verified by an ID Energy representative. You will be notified immediately once granted access to the app.